Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can sign up in your Tradingview app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply scroll through your homepage and tap open your Fleet app. So once you are in your Fleet app, you need to press on the menu option. So after pressing it, you will end up in this page where you need to simply press on the sign in option. So now tap in the sign up option and choose your account to get signed up. So after you choose an email account, you need to simply create your account by typing in your username, your email address, and your password. So after you are done filling in all these three credentials, simply press on your create account option. And once you do this, you need to verify yourself as a human being by solving the tasks which are given on screen. So once the verification process is done, you will get signed up in your Tradingview account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.